Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the last kit that I created. The kits are called Christmas in July, and this is kit that's called C, the kit number C. And I'm using this gorgeous paper collection for inspiration for this kit, but there are a lot of beautiful paper pads out there, and I just wanted to add this one to your kit. It comes in with Stamperia collection Pink Christmas. It's the 8x8 paper pad, and it has 190 grams, and it's pretty sturdy. I just love that one. So this one will be included in this kit because you can use the back as well as these elements in your project as well. So that's be added in the kit. And this beautiful vintage card as well is added to your kit. And yeah, as I said, it's a vintage one that I have collected quite a while ago on one of my antique thrifts in Belgium. So that's for that. Then I'll share with you all the beautiful and yummy laces. All the kits have approximately 10 yards of vintage laces, and all of the yards left over are all the newer collections. So you have a lot of new laces in your stash if you decide to purchase one of my kits. So let me start off by taking off these elements, which is a clip there with a piece of vintage curtain, a pleated paper ruffle that's also made with a collection of the Stamperia papers, and these super beautiful it's almost two-toned now because if it's all vintage, beautiful doily there. And let me share with you the yummy laces that are inside. This one is vintage, as well as this one and this one. This one has a beautiful sort of iridescent icicle look. This one is, yeah, as you can see, a beautiful embroidery pieces there. And beautiful white baby blue lace there. This beautiful retro print, I just love that. There and there. And this is sort of a dangle beautiful trim there. Also, this paper collection is from the Stamperia kit as well. And again, if you want more information, just leave a comment down below or contact me. So that's for this first one. And as I said, the kits are pretty similar to each other on the laces. Some have more of a bluish tone, and the other ones have more of a pinkish tone, but I love to combine all those colors together because of the paper collection that you have in this kit. Then this one, I'll take that one off as well. Again, a clip here, a ruffled trim, and then quite a large of a tatting piece, Battenberg piece, sorry. It's all a little bit like tattered and all meshed up, but it's such a beautiful piece. Sorry, I just love that. Then for the trims that are inside, these are all newer styles, all quite wide ones, and this one is one of my favorites. This one with the scallop edge and the silver, and this one such a beautiful dainty one. Again, this is the back, and I just love creating this one. I was immediately inspired by all the beautiful Christmas in July videos that were up, and sorry it took me a while to create these kits, but I must say they have like beautiful pieces tucked in, especially for you. Again, a cute clip here, a ruffled paper trim, and then this piece. And it's possible to take this one off because there's a clip there in the back. So you can use it as it is or without this beautiful piece there. So that's for that. And then I'll share with you the beautiful laces. This one is a retro piece, that's also a vintage piece. This one has a beautiful scallop edge there. This is the white one, and this one has different colors. I just love that. And this one has a beautiful like scalloped edge there. Also perfect for the Maggie Holmes collectors. This one has a beautiful style there for that collection as well. So I'll tuck everything together and put it aside. Then we're left with all these yummy goodies. I'll share with you the trims that are in the side here, which is this one, like so. Then a slightly thinner piece here, like so. A white one, and I hope you can see the colors well. Let me just turn out the shades and I'll come back. So I'm back, hoping to share with you without too many glare the last laces here. That's this one, and this is a slightly thinner one of this collection. This one has a beautiful rose, and this one has like a smaller flowers, and they both have like the same bluish tone. So that's for these two. Then I also showed you this one, a riggedy rag piece, a beautiful baby blue one, and this was also one of the specialty vintage pieces that I have collected, as well as this one. Beautiful, just beautiful flower there. A velvet piece there, and this is the safety pin or the peg that has 4 different styles of metallic trims. These two have the leaves and these two have the stars. So quite a few of those on that. Then for this super cute baggie that I have filled with different elements like hearts, and of course that beautiful piece there, rhinestone piece there, some beautiful silver colored roses, lots of different elements of specialty sequences there, a word banner there. So yeah, quite a large of selected pieces, but also different elements for you to create with in this baggie. I'll try to do it like later. So this is the beautiful Bridal Afrique that comes in the kit. Quite a large piece, as you can see here on my hands. And this is also quite a large piece there. And I just love this element. Really beautiful and gorgeous. Then for the vinyl piece that comes in the kit, it has, this one is like an inch wide, and you get quite a few of those as well. Then in this kit comes a different color nouveau, I must say, enamel dots. And this is also the beautiful shades of the kit themselves. So I just love that one as well. So I added this one as well as a fun element there of a popcorn package. Put this one here. Then for the papers that are in this beautiful collection, you already saw the front there, and I also will be adding these in your kit. And this is the back. And then a beautiful, that coordinates beautifully together. That's this one, and this is the back. And then you also get this one. These are perfect to create with. Maybe you have a circle punch that's large enough, maybe for the inside or the outside, or you like to fussy cut, then this is a perfect sheet for you. And I also added from the online store called Daantje Creatief. I got this one, which is a high quality photo paper image printout, and these have like beautiful shabby chic images that I really love, and I shared those with you. Then for all the beautiful yummy doilies that are in this kit, this one is a newer piece, and the rest that I will be showing you are all the vintage pieces. So this one is possible to cut out and cut apart all these elements in there. So quite a large piece as well. And then for this piece, this is like so. Again, I always leave these because I don't know if you want to like put them in with a sort of needle. You can put them in or cut them off, so I leave it like so. That's for that one. And I have some smaller sizes, 2 of those again, that I said these were connected, but I cut them off. I left that like so. These 2. And this one is quite a sturdy piece. You can, if you want to make it less sturdy, of course you can wash it all out. I ironed it all up, and you can use this as an ornament. It's already like so. And this one, I just love this piece as well. Really dainty piece, super beautiful. And this one, you see the beautiful, beautiful elements there. Really thin layered crochet piece, really delicate. And this one as well, super cute. And this one is also a very specialty piece. Just love the work that is gone into it. Such a beautiful element. And this one is, yeah, quite a sort of inspired by that one. Here, this one. And then for the sort of Battenberg pieces, I have this one and this one. I just really, really love it. It was quite, yeah, a lot of fun to to create these kits for you, and I'm hoping you will love them as well. So take a look at the previous videos if you want to have like inspiration for Happy Meal kits as well, or if you have seen some elements there, you have questions, please don't hesitate to to contact me, and I will try to help you out as much as I can. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. And then again, if you want to purchase this one, which is the kit named C, just contact me here on YouTube, on my Instagram, or also on my Facebook, and I will contact you as soon as possible. And yeah, I just hope that everyone is doing well and yeah, are feeling okay. And I'll hope to see you next time. Talk to you all soon. Bye bye.